All right, so I thought I would just take you out here on my balcony. It's just gorgeous today. This is the lake I live on, and see if I can maybe move this around a little bit better for you. But yeah, that's down there is my little boat dock and jacuzzi area. Yeah, Warren G lives over behind this house, Dr. Dre's brother. And yeah, just chilling, huh? Anyways, thought I would just show you. That's what I wake up to every day. And I dig it. It's cool. When we get to know each other, maybe we'll have a party and you slide by if you're in the area. All right.
What up, guys? What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You ready to get it? You ready to hit it? You ready to level up and get with it? Got some new topics, some new updates, some things to look at. And I wanted to say thank you. We're right about 500 subscribers, which makes you an OG, because when we go to 100,000 subscribers or 500,000 subscribers, you guys will be in the first 500. So I appreciate you. I thank you. I'm grateful for you. And I appreciate you all the likes and subscribes and comments. The comments are great. So I really want to take a second to thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart for that. So this week we are launching the Discord and the courses. Okay. And if you guys, the first 200 people are going to be grandfathered in. And allowed to get in there, and then eventually there's going to be a gate, a $5 gate, to kind of keep the riffraff out, and people that are serious about learning and educating themselves and being part of a community that are trying to excel in their lives and learn about stocks and crypto and investing and trading. So we'll have that. The middle tier is my trade alerts. Everybody needs the trade alerts. Even if you don't want to do the Jedi tier and do the courses and learn everything, it'd be pretty good to just get a little notification of what I bought and where I put my stop, and then you get updates if I move my stop or if I sell, things like that. So you just follow my trades, and you'll probably do pretty darn good with that. And then of course we'll have the Jedi tier where you get the one-on-one with me. You get some other perks. I mail you out a trading logbook and a shirt, and of course you have the VIP chat. You have the one-on-ones with me, 10 sessions, 10-hour-long sessions. Wheelhouse Wednesdays, where we can do questions and answers and look at some charts together live, and then once a month I'll DJ for you guys, and that should be pretty fun. So thought we would talk about a few different topics right now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So I just want to kind of focus a little bit on what's currently happening. We had created one of these little boxes again with Bitcoin, because it was wicking up and wicking down and doing that whole ping pong thing inside of this box. So I had drawn this the other day, and today we broke out of that box of 62,375.41. So we are about $1,000 higher than that, and that is a really, really good sign. Now we are over the box. We have not closed the day, which will be I'm not sure what time it is. So it's in about 5 hours and 15 minutes it closes. We want this green body candle close above it. Where it's at would be completely fine. It did wick way up and came back down, so some profit taking. Not sure why you want to take profits when Bitcoin is about to rally, because everybody knows November, Bitcoin and the crypto markets start really running. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, we're above this. We're out of the box. It's really good news for Bitcoin. We want to close above 62,375.41 today. And then our next stop, guys, is $64,617.95. After that, we have a little ladder step over here, which is going to take us to 66,992.40. And eventually we're making our way up to like the 72, then the 75,000, then we're going to be in the low 80s. We're going to hit 86,000. Let's see if I can take you over there real quick. So we are going to make our way over here to $86,416.50. and we're going to get into the low 90s, and then we're going to make it to my target of 99,802 by the end of the third week, going into the fourth week of December. That's what I have figured out by looking at the fib circles and counting the actual days and looking at the structures along the time frames within the Fibonacci circles. So that's what it looks like to me. So Bitcoin, yeah, I mean, don't sell your Bitcoin, you know, hold it. And this is a good time to enter a trade, actually, because you're above the box. If you close above this old resistance, which is now new support, you could jump in and you could put your stop a little bit below it, you know. I mean, even if you put your stop at this other resistance of 61,645 and you bought in right now, and your first price target is 64,769 right in there, I mean, you know, it's a 2-to-1, but you know, I'm pretty sure you're just going to break right through this, and you're going to come up here, and you're going to be at a 5-to-1. And I'm sure if you just hold, and you're going to go way, way, way up to the 99.2, which ends up being like over 30-to-1. So it's going to be a big trade. It's definitely a good time. Look at the volume coming in, guys. Look. Changing to bullish, changing to bullish, changing to bullish. Everything is looking good. Let's go look at Ethereum. Ethereum broke the all-time high. Congratulations. Pretty cool. I love Ethereum. Followed right on up. Look at my line I drew months ago. Boom, there it is. There's the other line it's touching. I mean, every single thing in the technical analysis is showing my target is 6,609 by towards the end of December, about the same time that Bitcoin hits the 802, and it's going to be exciting. November and December are going to be really exciting. So there's a lot of good crypto trades going on right now. I mean, this engine has been amazing. This LRC is just up every day, it seems like. There's a lot of good ones. So in my courses, you're going to learn everything about the stock market, and once you get through like the tools and then the training, there's courses on investing, swing trading, day trading, and advanced day trading for crypto and stocks. So that'll be pretty exciting. That's only $99 a month, and it's worth, you know, probably 20x. It's the knowledge that you're going to get that's very thorough, and I take my time teaching you and showing you with examples and things like that. So I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy that. And if you're really serious about making money and learning how to navigate stocks and crypto and trade it properly, this is definitely a good place for you to invest in yourself. Okay. As far as something else I just wanted to discuss real quick, the economic calendar. Okay, so today's what, the 2nd, I believe, of November. So we have the durable goods coming out, some commodity stuff in oil and crude. We have the initial jobless claims coming out. Today's Tuesday, so on Thursday. Okay, that's something that people are going to be watching. More commodities, pork and natural gas, stuff like that. And then we have non-farm payrolls on the 5th. Okay, so a lot of people are looking at that, because if there is a surge in people going back to work, then it allows the Fed to start to taper sooner. So that's probably why the markets are a little bit, you know, just kind of flat today, if you will. They're not really going up like crazy, and they're not going down like crazy. Everybody's just kind of waiting. I'm not saying they're on pins and needles, but people are just cautious, and that's just a par for the course. So, you know, got a lot of really good earnings coming up. To watch out for. So that's kind of good. Now, I wanted to talk real quick about LUCID, because LUCID is down here on the bottom. Okay, it's come back a little bit. That's good. Now, the other day here, I'm going to pull up this video here of me talking, and I had explained that if we break this number, if we were to break out of it, then you know, with volume, it was gonna go through all these resistances, and then I went on to talk about how it hit this resistance and it started to retrace on the minutes, and I made that video immediately, and I said, look, it's gonna be overvalued. It's probably gonna retrace. Make sure you place your stop right here below this 35.64, probably about 35.33. So I wanted to pull that up for you just real quick so you can kind of see. So on Lucid, I told you guys the other day, 2 days back, I said, look, everything is going to change in the world of Lucid if we break this $27.40 with volume. The volume came in and it broke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I believe 6 resistances. Yeah, 6 resistances in one day. They are delivering to their customers, and they have our earnings coming up. So, look, this resistance right here is 40.88. We haven't touched it. We came close. If you go back to the minutes, it kind of came up and it's retraced a little bit. I would put your stops right here, right below this 35.64 support. You know, you can put it at like 35, 35.30, somewhere in that range though. A lot of profit's been made. I'm up huge today on this. So yeah, I mean that's why you put a stop in there, is so that you can you know, hold on to those profits, because you know, I've seen this 100 times, 1,000 times, probably more, you know, like 100,000 times. And, you know, when you get the volume breakout, like we like to get on the wheelhouse, where we're waiting for the technicals and then the volume and everything syncs up and it just fires through with the right announcements at the same time, and it goes through the charts and it breaks through all these. That's great. It went through 6. It got rejected. So it gets to come down to this next one. Well, it's already wicked down. I don't know if you can see this, but check this out. This wick, this purple wick, is literally touching the one right beneath it at 32.88 that it had gone to. And look, right here, 33.02 is the low on the day. So it has wicked all the way down to another technical support. That's why technical analysis is so important. So now that it's done that, now we're going to have to come back up and break this 35.64, probably retest it, and then make our way up, which I do believe will happen. However, even though they're delivering vehicles, I read something, and I don't know how solid the source is. It looked official, but I guess they're having some battery problems and it's delaying their production, and that's why it's down today. One of the reasons it's down today. So also the whole EV sector is a little bit down today. So but I have a lot of Lucid, so it's dragging me down. I'm not down a lot because a lot of my stuff is green, but the Lucid is weighing down on me a little bit. But I'm not worried about it. You know, it's going to be okay. You're at the beginning. Remember, Lucid, in my mind, is a millionaire maker stock. What you buy now, it's still so early, not only for the company Lucid, but also for the whole EV space. I mean, it's probably going to be a bullish sector till 2050. Eventually, it's only going to be electric vehicles and not combustible vehicles. So, you know, I wouldn't overly worry. It might be a good time to actually, you know, buy off of the support bounce, which it just did, and it's actually already bouncing. So you're way up here. So it came in touch, it already bounced. That's technically, that's a good time to re-enter. Now, you kind of wanted to do it when it first bounced, and you got to pay attention to this resistance of the 35.64. Make sure you have an alert right there, so it comes up on your screen or your phone, and you're alerted, hey, I'm approaching the resistance. And then you go back down to the lower time frames, and you see if it hits it and gets rejected or it breaks through with volume. Okay, so congratulations on Bitcoin, congratulations on Ethereum. If you got stopped out, no big deal on Lucid, because you don't have a wash sale. You got your profits now, like we talked about. You entered technically, you got the breakout with volume. You set your stop, you held onto a large portion of your profits, and you can rebuy. So no big deal. Yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys and tell you how much I appreciate you guys, and let you know about the Discord and the courses going live this week, as well as that we hit 500 subscribers and that I appreciate you. Welcome to the Wheelhouse.